In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your tickets on SeatGeek using the mobile app. Whether you just bought tickets or someone sent it to you and you can't seem to locate them, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, first of all, I purchased this upcoming concert of Bruno Mars with special guest Ray and DJ Pee Wee happening August 21st, and it's a pre-sale ticket, so I took advantage of the discounts. Happening on Madison Square Garden, I have the section 208, row 5, and seat 6. I only have the QR code at the bottom, which you can use if you want to find your tickets. Now, I also happen to have a text message for that specific event. Now, if you receive something like this, all I have to do is click the link down at the bottom, which will forward you to your SeatGeek account. Now, at this point, you want to make sure that you have an account in SeatGeek, because if you don't, you will be asked to create your account so that you can view the event itself. Now, it would also be helpful if you have like a confirmation email from SeatGeek like this one. So the event sent me an email that I only have until Wednesday, January 30th to confirm the transfer, since it's a pre-sale account. All right, it's happening on August 21st. Now, after having all that details, I want you to open the SeatGeek app on your mobile device and go to Find Tickets. You will be forwarded on the search bar, and as you can see, I have this specific event here, Bruno Mars with Ray and DJ Pee Wee. I want you to click on it. If you do, you will be forwarded to the checkout process. So this is going to be one ticket, and you need to make sure that you selected the right section and row. For example, the first one, okay, and then hover down below to click the Go to Checkout. Now, at the bottom, since you already purchased this ticket, click the Add a Promo Code. For example, we have right here, and click the Add button. And then what will happen is the ticket will be added to your tickets. It's super simple. All right. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to find your tickets on SeatGeek. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.